Welcome to Natural Remedies channel. 9 natural remedies for acne. Many home remedies can help improve a person's acne, pimples and sores. Home remedies for acne include gentle herbal creams and gels, essential oils, natural supplements, and some simple lifestyle changes. Acne develops when pores become clogged or infected with bacteria. Acne is the most common skin condition in the United States, affecting around 80% of people in their lifetimes. People can use specific home remedies to help balance the skin's oil levels, reduce inflammation, kill bacteria, and prevent future acne breakouts. As yet, there is not much scientific evidence to prove the effectiveness of most home remedies. In this video, we discuss the current evidence for some of the home remedies that people may find useful. Home remedies for acne. Some of the most popular home remedies for acne involve the use of natural herbal extracts, many of which traditional medicine practitioners have used for hundreds of years. Below, we discuss the best home remedies for acne, what the research says, and lifestyle changes that can help. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which means that it might kill P. acnes, the bacteria that causes acne. Tea tree oil's anti-inflammatory properties mean that it can also reduce the swelling and redness of pimples. A 2015 review study looked at the existing evidence for tea tree oil and acne. The researchers found that tea tree oil products can reduce the number of acne sores in people with mild to moderate acne. This study suggested that tea tree oil may work as well as 5% benzoyl peroxide, which is a common over-the-counter (OTC) acne medication. This is how to use tea tree oil. People can apply tea tree extract to their acne in creams, gels, or essential oils. If people use essential oils, always dilute them in a carrier oil first. A range of tea tree oil products is available online. 2. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a natural, waxy substance extracted from the seeds of the jojoba shrub. The waxy substances in jojoba oil may help to repair damaged skin, which means it may also help speed up wound healing, including acne lesions. Some of the compounds in jojoba oil might help to reduce skin inflammation, which means it may reduce redness and swelling around pimples, whiteheads, and other inflamed lesions. In a 2012 study, trusted source, researchers gave 133 people clay face masks that contained jojoba oil. After 6 weeks of using the masks 2 to 3 times per week, people reported a 54% improvement in their acne. How to use jojoba oil. Try mixing jojoba essential oil with a gel, cream, or clay face mask and applying it to acne. Otherwise, place a few drops of jojoba oil on a cotton pad and rub this gently over acne sores. People can buy jojoba oil at health stores or online. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, meaning it may reduce the appearance of acne and prevent acne breakouts. Aloe vera contains lots of water and is an excellent moisturizer, so it is especially suitable for people who get dry skin from other anti-acne products. In a 2014 study, researchers gave people with mild to moderate acne aloe vera gel and tretinoin cream, which is a common OTC acne remedy, to use for 8 weeks. The participants reported a significant improvement in both inflammatory and non-inflammatory acne compared to people who used just tretinoin gel. How to use aloe vera gel. By purchasing pure aloe vera and applying it generously to your face in place of a cleanser, you'll be boosting the blood flow in your skin and killing off harmful bacteria. You can also spot treat your acne breakout areas, leave the aloe on overnight, and wash it off in the morning to reduce redness and irritation. 4. Green tea is very high in antioxidants, and drinking it can promote good health. There aren't any studies exploring the benefits of drinking green tea when it comes to acne, but applying it directly to the skin has been shown to help. This is likely because the flavonoids and tannins in green tea are known to help fight bacteria and reduce inflammation, which are 2 main causes of acne. The major antioxidant in green tea, epigallocatechin-3-gallate (EGCG), has been shown to reduce sebum production, fight inflammation and inhibit the growth of P. acnes in individuals with acne-prone skin. Multiple studies have shown that applying a 2 to 3% green tea extract to the skin significantly reduces sebum production and pimples in those with acne. You can buy creams and lotions that contain green tea, but it is just as easy to make your own mixture at home. How to use it? Steep green tea in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Allow tea to cool. Using a cotton ball, apply tea to skin or pour into a spray bottle to spritz on. Allow to dry, then rinse with water and pat dry. Even though there isn't any evidence that drinking green tea can fight acne, some research suggests it may still be beneficial. For example, drinking green tea has been shown to lower blood sugar and insulin levels, which are factors that can contribute to the development of acne. 5. Red bush tea. Red bush tea works mainly because of the richness in antioxidants, vitamin D and a big array of minerals, zinc, manganese, calcium, magnesium and more present in the tea. Red bush tea is filled with goodies, understood. Here is where it gets interesting. Red bush tea also contains unique and rare powerful antioxidants that can only be found in red bush tea and maybe a couple few other rare plants. Now, two of the most notable antioxidants were already mentioned earlier, namely aspalathin and nothofagan. Both of which have had proven antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial qualities, which furthermore increases its likelihood for being effective for optimal skin. Red bush tea also contains other antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties, which is especially good for people with irritated skin or acne. It heals and keeps skin healthy. Red bush tea is rich in alpha-hydroxy and zinc, both important nutrients for healthy skin. Alpha-hydroxy not only reduces the signs of aging but also revitalizes the skin. Zinc heals wounds, protects against UV rays and has anti-inflammatory properties, which could alleviate acne, pimples and sunburn. Drinking and/or applying red bush tea to your skin will improve the skin in the most natural way. 6. Echinacea. Echinacea purpurea, also known as the purple coneflower, may contain compounds that help destroy viruses and bacteria, including P. acnes. Many people believe that echinacea can boost the immune system and reduce inflammation and use it to fight off or prevent infections, including colds and flus. How to use echinacea? People can apply creams containing echinacea to areas where they have acne lesions or take echinacea supplements. Echinacea products are available from health stores or online as creams or supplements. 7. Rosemary. Rosemary extract, or Rosmarinus officinalis, contains chemicals and compounds that have antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Few studies have looked at the effect of rosemary extract on acne, but a 2013 study trusted source on mice models and human cells suggested that rosemary extract can reduce inflammation from the acne-causing bacteria P. acnes. 8. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is extracted from the bark and leaves of the North American witch hazel shrub, Hamamelis virginiana. It contains tannins, which have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. That's why it's used to treat a broad range of skin conditions, including dandruff, eczema, varicose veins, burns, bruises, insect bites and acne. Unfortunately, there aren't any studies on the ability of witch hazel to treat acne specifically. However, there are several studies that show applying witch hazel to the skin can fight bacteria, reduce inflammation and help with healing. How to use it? Combine 1 tablespoon witch hazel bark and 1 cup water in a small saucepan. Soak witch hazel for 30 minutes and then bring the mixture to a boil on the stove. Reduce to a simmer and cook, covered, for 10 minutes. Remove the mixture from the heat and let sit for an additional 10 minutes. Strain and store the liquid in a sealed container. Apply to clean skin using a cotton ball 1 to 2 times per day, or as desired. Nevertheless, it is important to note that commercially prepared versions may not contain tannins, as they are often lost in the distillation process. 9. Coconut oil. Like other natural remedies, coconut oil contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds. These properties mean that coconut oil may destroy acne-causing bacteria and reduce redness and swelling of pimples. Coconut oil may also speed up healing in open acne sores. How to use coconut oil? Try rubbing pure, virgin coconut oil directly to the area with acne. Look for coconut oil in the natural foods section of grocery stores or online. We have now come to the end of this video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe in order to be notified when we next release a new video. Thanks for watching.